are tucked inside the truck at all times. There could be passengers some pretty rough brush out here that might have some sharp wood attached, plus the road car intake, which makes for a pretty rough and bumpy trip. I want to make sure, of course, that everybody is staying safe. That goes for little ones too, folks. They can have a seat on the lap. That's perfectly fine. Just make sure that wherever they are, they do remain seated there. Please do not stand above them on the lap or a seat or roll them up into the air because guess what? That's really not going to be a good idea. Trust me on that one. If you have any loose articles like hats, cameras, cell phones, or anything else that you might be mildly attached to, please hold on tightly to them. I unfortunately will not be allowed to stop for anything that might fall off the side of the truck. I don't want you to lose anything. Alright, so we're going to get started here in the Ituri forest. Keep in mind, most of these animals are incredibly shy and will use their natural colors as camouflage to really blend into their background and surroundings. So you want to keep your eyes peeled for any kind of movement. Oh, over to the right-hand side, our first animal there is the okapi. Two okapi, in fact. They are such an incredibly reclusive species that they were not discovered by the Western world until the year 1901. Up until that point, they were considered to be a myth. Pretty cool looking stripes on their hind legs. They're very reminiscent to a zebra, though they are no relation at all. In fact, the okapi are the only living relatives to the giraffes. Watering holes can be very good gathering places for a lot of different creatures out here, so let's see if there's anything that might be hanging around here today. Oh, look over to your left. Over to the left. Beautiful black rhino over there. Now, unfortunately, the black rhinos are struggling quite a bit due to illegal poaching. There are less than 5,000 of them left on this earth. There's actually a second one laying down in front of the big pile of rocks all the way around the line. I'm going to pull up for this one. This is a pretty awesome view here. Now, the black rhinos can get up to about 3,000 pounds and capable of charging speeds of 35 miles an hour as well. Incredibly powerful creatures. Look at the different